This is day 2 of the winter storm of 2026, and today I'm having another stupid idea, but stupid but not really. But I'm going to this waterfall. It's called Ozone Falls in Tennessee, and I'm gonna check it out because apparently it's a really beautiful waterfall, really beautiful spot. Not too hard, but it's cool. Get outside, get in the rain, and we're gonna see some cool sights hopefully. But it's been pouring rain all day, so, and I was passing by some of the streams and the creeks and they were flowing, so I'm expecting this waterfall to be absolutely crazy. But it's raining right now. I've kind of been hunkering in the car, but I'm about to head out and probably get wet. I did bring stuff to get in the water with because apparently you can go swimming here, but it's cold. It's like 37 degrees out right now and it's raining, so I don't think I'm going to, but you never know. But let's get on with it. So it turns out that this waterfall, I mean, the top of it is actually very close to the parking spot. This took me less than a minute. Crazy. That's an icicle. Absolutely crazy. So update, I'm heading down towards the bottom of the falls. There's this crazy little fall right here. But I'm heading down to the bottom now to get a look at what it looks like from the bottom. I was at the top, now we're going to the bottom. So hopefully I don't slip and die here. All right, little update. I'm in this like little cave system. Look at that. There's the waterfall over there. Crazy. I want to take a quick little video and then keep going back down because the trail keeps going down that way. But look at that. Crazy. All right. I don't know if you can hear me that well, but I'm not all the way down, but I'm pretty close. But look at this. Whoa. What? Crazy. It's beautiful. We're gonna try to go down there. I'm probably not gonna get it. That looks crazy. I don't think I'm gonna get in the water. That's a no-no. But you can just see the spray from the waterfall. It's crazy. Let's get down there. I don't know if you can hear me, but guess where we are? Yo! Incredible! Absolutely insane. I can't get over it. Literally behind the waterfall right now. I gotta hold it like this. Oh shoot! The spray! Oh no! Crazy! All right, update. I'm leaving from behind the waterfall. My hands are freezing right now. And I'm getting cold and wet. But that was fucking awesome. Use my language, that was freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Wow. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Let's get going. Let's go towards the other side now. Kind of get like a direct shot. My hands are freezing though. All right, little update. I made it to the base towards more of the front. It's a beautiful spot. It's so cool to see in the rain. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Update, I made it to like this little clearing right here. Here's the rest of the river going this way. And then we turn back over here. Boom. There's the waterfall. This shit's flowing too. It's been raining all day, yesterday and today. Crazy. All right, so I got away a little bit from the noise and the waterfall and that, but man, this place is absolutely beautiful. It really is. And it's honestly not too far from the highway, which is kind of crazy, but there's still so much to explore. Like there it is over there in the background. You probably still hear the river flowing. You got a nice snow all over the ground, winter wonderland. Like it's nice. There's just so much to explore, but I think I might start calling it because my hands they're freezing. They're freezing. My legs are wet. I'm getting all wet. And right now, something warm, a nice toasty car feels nice right now, but I might explore a little bit over here, a little bit, and then I had to start heading back up. Worth it. Worth the drive to come out here and see that waterfall. So cool. And in the rain, so. Ooh, definitely recommend so far. All right, saying my last goodbye to the waterfall. As I'm leaving, thoughts are just thank God for creating a beautiful place like this and keeping me safe while I look at this beautiful waterfall. There's always a reminder, there's bigger things in life than the monotonous grind of 9 to 5 and, you know, living in a city. I don't know where I was going with that, but there's more when you get out in nature and you realize how big the world actually is too. Like this is just one little spot in Tennessee, of many spots in Tennessee, and many waterfalls, and it's just a little small speck compared to the globe and what else is out there. When you really start to realize and look at it, there's so much out there. There's so much beauty out there. And this is just a small piece. But if you're in Tennessee, definitely come to Ozone Falls. Even if it's raining, I recommend it. It's awesome. But let's head back to the car and finish this up. So I made it back from that hike, and man, what an awesome freaking hike that was in the rain. And it just was an all-around great hike in the rain. And honestly, it's in those moments where you're soaking wet and you see this beautiful waterfall where you're like, damn, I'm living my life. And you actually feel present in the moment. You got to get out in nature, people. You got to get out in nature and experience these things, because there's a life outside of what you're doing on a daily basis. There's a whole wide world of beautiful nature out there that needs to be explored and seen by you. So if you're seeing this, you made it to the end of the video, this is your sign right now to stop watching YouTube or whatever this is on that you're watching, and go outside and go in nature. And go watch a sunset, go see a sunrise, go see a waterfall, go in the forest, do something. But if you made it to the end, I hope you have a fantastic freaking day, and let's get it.